virtual tour. So, you'll have to excuse the quarantine mess, but this is the common living area. It's a pretty big space. There's a lot of really great natural light in here. As you can see, we're the top floor. You have control over your heating and cooling in here, so it's not controlled by the building, you get to set it yourself. Over here is the kitchen. Dishwasher, washer dryer. There's a ton of storage space. We have, no issue between the two of us finding space for all of our stuff. So over here is one of the master bedrooms. This is my roommate Sarah's room. This is her closet. And this is the bedroom. It's the bigger of the two bedrooms. And then she's got one of the bathrooms here. Her door comes in on this side. And then there's also a door to this bathroom from the hallway. So if you're having, if you have guests, it's a little bit easier than having to go through someone's room. Then this is the other bedroom. I'm just gonna turn on the light. This is my room. This room is a little smaller, but has a much bigger closet. So I have a ton of stuff, so it might not look that big, but it's definitely walk-in size. And then this is the room. And this is the bathroom. This bathroom has a bathtub, but it's also pretty good size. Hello. Our utilities are probably around, with internet and electricity, maybe like $80 a month each. There's a parking spot that comes with the apartment that's included in the rent, which is $3,100. For us, Sarah uses that parking spot, so she pays that cost. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, so leaving the apartment, there's a staircase on this side, but also if you walk over here to the elevator, there is a trash chute at the end of the hall right here. Recycling is downstairs. There's also an elevator that was just renovated. And I think that is mostly it. Packages are down in the lobby. We've never really had any issues with UPS or FedEx or USPS having access to the building. And then, only good things to say about Matt as a landlord. And so that is the apartment. Please feel free to email us with any questions about the space. And then if you have any questions about like lease or rent or anything like that, just being in touch with Matt. Oh, extra storage right here in this closet. We use it for like coats and stuff, and toilet paper and paper towels and cleaning supplies and whatnot. So I think that's it. Bye.